But let me be clear. The conflict along the blue line between Israel and Hezbollah has gone on for long enough. Innocent people are dying, property is damaged, families are shattered, and the Lebanese economy continues to decline. The country is suffering for no good reason. It's in everyone's interest to resolve it quickly and diplomatically. That is both achievable and it is urgent. Thank you. Speaker Berry and I had a very good discussion. We discussed the current security and political situation in Lebanon, as well as the deal on the table right now with respect to Gaza, which also provides an opportunity to end the conflict across the blue line. The situation is serious. We have seen an escalation over the last few weeks. And what President Biden wants to do is to avoid a further escalation to a greater war. That is the effort here. It will take everyone's interest in ending this conflict now. And we believe that there is a pathway diplomatically to do it, if the sides agree to it. But this is a very serious situation that we are in.
Is it now or the